Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home located in the Wellington Subdivision that comes with a maintenance package that includes: new owner can schedule the exterior paint and decide if they want to upgrade to include gutter painting and color. Community offers a community pool, bar, and restaurant, billiard room, tennis, and Pickel Ball Courts, fitness center, library, Bocce Courts, Banquet Facility, craft/game center, and on-site office and guard gate access, and more. Features inside laundry room with washer and dryer included.